Alright, welcome to the video, everybody. Hope everyone is doing well. I'll be honest, I'm actually shooting this intro at the end of the day, just on the way home. Figured I'd kind of explain what today's video is a little bit different. So in the last couple of videos, I had Justin commenting, asking if I wanted to go riding, and we actually managed to make it work. So I basically just said, hey, do you want to go tomorrow, meet at Sutherland's at this time? And he was like, yeah, sure. So I was like, well, that was easy. So that's great. But yeah, definitely this is the first time snowmobiling with, like, through my YouTube channel, subscribers through my YouTube channel, which to me is like crazy. Like, that's actually really cool. Yeah, so anyway, that's kind of what today's video is, and I hope you guys enjoy. Got her a little stuck. Yeah, did some shoveling. I think we'll be good. Spring riding. Alright, kind of made it back to the backside of Skinny Ridge here. That's where all the chutes, the bigger chutes, are anyway, up here. There's that booter that I was filming in the last video. Right there. Pretty wild. You can see they've got a bit of slide action going on here, coming down from the rocky areas. Not sure what the chute climbing is going to be like this year. It's kind of the one thing springtime is fun and good for is chute climbing, and the snow seems to be a little funny this year. I don't know. If not unstable and kind of dangerous, so we'll see how much of that we do this year, but good to get out anyway. Ran out of talent. Alright, so we're kind of up boondocking up here. I was kind of seeing that line through the trees. I don't know if you guys, there we go. That line, pretty gnarly. I'm thinking I probably wouldn't make it. I'd probably get stuck or something. So I'm thinking I might try and get my sled turned a bit and kind of head down through here. The guys are just down there. There's kind of an opening, so. Oh yeah. not climbing out of this. The tree inhaled me. Oh, that was spicy.
That was good.
I'm surprised I actually managed to get it to lay over in that kind of precarious position, but that was pretty good. Thanks for your help.
Gotcha.
Now we've, yeah, for sure. I have to say, a couple of things. I'm surprised at how much snow is still up in the mountains. There's still like over 10 feet of snow in pretty much most places up there. It's absolutely crazy. It's like end of April, and also I was surprised at how soft the snow was today. Like we were actually able to do some decent tree riding today, which is pretty wild for springtime. But you definitely could get English. You definitely get good traction. Anyway, so I'll, you know, not make this too long and wordy, although it kind of probably is already. Look at all the flooding. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Might have to make a little bit of a point next year, more flooding, of getting out with more subscribers, because I know there are a couple of you guys that have been wanting to go out for quite a while, and we just haven't managed to really quite make schedules line up quite. But there's next year. I might have to try harder next year to make it work. So anyway, yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe, all that stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.